Hello everyone, you are watching Naresh IS Academy YouTube channel and now I am working on Rajasthan art and culture for the English medium students only. In Hindi medium, I have completely discussed the Rajasthan GK and GS on the YouTube channel, and today I will discuss an important topic from the custom and costumes of the tribesmen in Rajasthan. Then this is the next part on the Rajasthan culture. The part is 15. Important costumes in Rajasthan. Costumes. The topic is very important from the point of view of question. Different questions are asked by the rpsc in the various exams. So we can divide the costumes under the two categories: costumes of the means and the women's. And the women's costume. Okay. First, the men's costumes are one of the important is pagdi, also called the turban. Pagdi is a symbol of respect and honor in Rajasthan. So it is important costumes worn by the means mostly. There are different kinds of turban in Rajasthan, or mainly these turbans have the specialty in the Mewar region. The Mewar region is special in its turban, and also the Marwar region. So different types of turbans in the Mewar regions are Amar Shahi, Bhim Shahi, Swarup Shahi, and Atpati. Atpati is a important types of turban, which is a colorful turban and mainly liked by the means. Second costume, turban is weared on the head. Second is khoyatu. Khoyatu, it is just like a trouser, a narrow trouser weared by the means in Rajasthan, and also called the dhepada. The khoyatu or dhepada is a one kind of trouser, and it is very important for the means. And next is the angocha. Angocha, it is beard on the head, angocha, and the different kinds of angochas are prepared by the means in Rajasthan. And the next is angrakhi. Angrakhi, which is also called bugtari and achkan too. Achkan is a type of angrakhi, which is beard above the waist, between the neck and the waist. This body part is completely covered by the angrakha, and it is also called the achkan and bugtari in Rajasthan. And some of the common costumes liked by the means different kinds of safa. So safa feta is also a type of turban, but generally liked by the persons in the East Rajasthan than the Western Rajasthan. Okay, these are the one kinds of trouser, very important. This is the breeches. Then breeches is a one kinds of trouser liked by the mean. Breeches is the one kinds of trouser and it is differ from the khoyatu or dhepada. So khoyatu mainly weared by the tribesmen and breeches non-tribesmen generally prefer the breeches. Okay, so these are the important costumes liked by the means in Rajasthan. And now I will discuss the costumes of the women's. Mainly one is the kachabu. Kachabu. Kachabu is weared by the tribal women's and it is a one kinds of costume or cloth just like a ghagra and beard below the body part of the waist. The below the waist it is beard and sometimes it is compared with the ghagra and liked by the tribal women. Okay, and the next is odhni, very important. Odhni also called the lugdi and sometimes it is compared with the sari. So different kinds of odhni are preferred by the women's. One of the important is the jwar bhat odhni, odhni of jwar bhat, and its basic color is white and red and black color are used for making some designs on the main part of the cloth and the border part. The border part or some designs are in the black and red color in the odhni of jwar bhat. And second type of the odhni is the lehriya odhni. It means the color combination is just like the odhni of jwar bhat, but this is the lehriya pattern. In the babings pattern are generally preferred in this type. Next is the odhni of tara bhat. Tara bhat ki odhni also called. In this types of odhni, the brown and red color are the basic color. They are used in the basic part of the cloth and at the border line or making some designs or decoration, black color is used. So then red and the black color are the main part of the odhni of tara bhat. And there is one more types of odhni, the odhni of keri bhat. Keri, the term have been derived from the mango, the initial part of the mango or the earliest stage of the ripe mango is called the keri. So then the color of the keri is just like in used in this, and the basic color in the keri bhat odhni is the red color and also multi colors are used along with the red color. Yellow, black and white color are also used for the decoration of the border part and making some designs. Okay, these are the four important types of the odhni. And the next costume of the women's is the pomcha. Pomcha, you know, pomcha is sometimes compared with the odhni and generally now it is more similarity with the odhni. The pomcha, the basic color of the pomcha is the yellow color and for decorating its border part and some designing the red color is used. In Rajasthan, the mainly pomcha is sent by the mother of the women's. The women's she has gave birth to a child. So at the time of birth of a children, the mother of this women sent a pomcha. So then pomcha is a great tradition in throughout the Rajasthan, not only in the tribes but non-tribe peoples. This is generally seen. The pomcha is generally compared with the odhni. And there are some other types of the costumes in the women's. One is the katki. Katki is generally used in the most of part of the Rajasthan but preferred in the South Rajasthan, and katki is also compared with the odhni. Rain sai and nandada. Rain sai and nandada both are the types of odhni, and simply they have more similarity with the chheet. The chheet is a one kinds of the odhni, and in which the multi colors are used for making the dotted lines, and which is called the chheet, but generally kept under the category of the odhnis. So these are the costumes and preferred by the women's, and these are the important costumes preferred by the men's. So you can learn these costumes, and most of questions generally asked from this area, and these are the 10 to 15 terms only. So if you have learn these terms, definitely you can make ensure yourself about the questions. Okay, thank you.